Hello and welcome everybody. We are going with BMC Control webinar. BMC Control Your Future. Agenda for today's webinar: Business Challenge, Configuring and Scheduling Control Jobs, Control Overview, Control Architecture, Control Flow, Features provided by Control Modules, Aligning the business critical jobs through advanced file transfer, SAP, business process integration, and AIX module. Focal point for enterprise: BMC Batch Impact Manager, result analysis of Control M Forecast, BMC Control M Reporting Facility, BMC Batch Incidents, Control M as a workload automation consolidated solution, and then we'll take among questions from participants. Business challenge: most organizations have one or more job scheduling solutions that automatically submit and monitor simple batch job or script workflows. However, in many cases, typical job schedulers do not handle large, modern, complex enterprise workloads. They tend to be platform specific and time driven, with limited integration and poor scalability, unable to orchestrate dynamic workloads, and unconnected to business needs. Batch workloads already account for 70% of all business processing performed by an IT, and most organizations see this number increasing. As complexity in the modern data center continues to increase, organizations require their workload automation solution to provide a full range of flexible and scalable solution. BM managing existing workload, plan for future changes, and support new trends such as service oriented architecture, virtualization, and cloud computing. Let's see how Control M addresses the business challenge. BMC Control M helps you meet production deadlines, reduce management costs, integrate diverse platforms and applications, plan for future growth, and ensure that your IT processes can be audited, all while providing a quick time to value. Business jobs forming a batch to be executed on a particular schedule or on a specific condition can be sent and configured to BMC on BMC Control M server. BMC Control M server can schedule the jobs and provide the result on a focal point. Let's see the key business benefits. Functionality, your IT benefit, and your business benefit. BMC Control M provides self-service, give business users visibility into workloads, thus reducing costs and deliver unprecedented service. BMC Control M Batch Impact Manager. BMC Control M Batch Impact Manager is a utility which provides proactively evaluating the impact of delays or failures of a batch job, thus ensuring on-time completion of batch processes. BMC Control M Advanced File Transfer. The control module Advanced File Transfer helps integrate file transfer and batch scheduling, thus ensuring data integrity and minimizing risk. BMC Control M Forecast. Forecast module provides prediction of the job schedule, thus minimizing disruption to critical services. Application integration, centralized management and monitoring, increase availability and eliminate the costs. Control-M architecture. Control-M architecture significantly comprises of three main components: Control-M Enterprise Manager Server, Control-M Server, and Control-M Agents. Control-M Enterprise Manager Server has a database, a software gateway, and GUI. Control-M Enterprise Manager GUI provides utilities such as desktop utility for configuring jobs and monitoring the jobs in the production environment. Control-M Server. Control-M Server is the heart of Control-M architecture. The components of Control-M Server: database, gateway, and the server services. It automates the job depending on the schedule provided in the job editing form. Control-M agents. Control-M agents are deployed on the end nodes from where the jobs are to be executed on. It can be Unix boxes, Windows, or it can be mainframes. Control-M agent on behalf of Control-M server execute the job on the end nodes. They execute the job on the end nodes and provide the status of job execution to Control-M server. Thus facilitates online monitoring of production jobs. Let's see how Control-M flows. The Control-M desktop utility provides job configurations for business jobs. The jobs that are configured by the stakeholders, application owners, or the Control-M administrators are then pushed to Control-M Enterprise Manager database and are then uploaded to Control-M server database. The Control-M server, on receiving this information, identifies the jobs that are scheduled for a specific day. Here we have taken an example of application servers deployed at different locations, so Paris, Washington, and New York. Can be an example where jobs are to be executed on a specific date, on a specific day. Depending on the schedule received, Control-M server passes the information to Control-M agent for job execution. Here in an example, jobs are to be scheduled on date 5th and 7th of every month. The job Control-M agent on behalf of Control-M server trigger the job on the specific application server and provide the status of job execution back to Control-M server. On receiving the information, Control-M server provides this information to Control-M EM, from where the job monitoring can be viewed. There are different color codes to identify the status of the job. Green indicates the jobs have ended with OK status, red indicating the job have failed to execute. Similarly, we can have an example of job scheduled to execute every Wednesday, or we can have an example of jobs to be executed last day of every month.